All right, looks like we're live. So this is Summer Smith, and I'm going to walk you through my final submission, my final project submission, so you kind of have an idea of how it works. So when you navigate here from my site, you can find it in the footer here, but I will give you a direct link. And this is just a funny little connector. So here's where the app actually begins. So here's our main pages, and they're listed up here too. You'll notice that this page doesn't work. This is something I was really hoping to get done, but I just ran out of time, and I did list it as a stretch goal in my project, so please don't grade that as part of it, because it's not, and it's not part of my project proposal. So we'll start on the price compare page, which you can see. You can go through and pick an item to price compare. Once you select an item, it pulls up all the items that are that same name with the relevant stores and prices, so you can compare to see which one is the best price. It automatically lists things from cheapest to most expensive. So you can do that from the search page too. So like if you look at orange juice, I have way more entries for orange juice. So my database isn't completely full, but there's a few things in there. Users can add new prices for items by going to the item and adding a new price. So you can fill that out, and I won't bother showing that to you. You can test it out for yourself, but it does work. It's pretty cool. And you can also see the details. You can actually see these on the other page too, but like if you're on the search page, you don't necessarily see the store. So you might want to see more details on the item. Now, if you want to add the item to a list, you select the list it's going to be added to, and then you can go back to search. So now let's look at the list. Right now there's only one list, so let's make another list for testing purposes. So now you can see if we want to add some items, then we can go back here. Let's see, let's get the cheapest one and add it to our test list. So now we can go to lists and tests, and we see it there. You can also navigate to the list by just clicking on the list name. So also you notice our list total is here. That's a little hard to see because we only have one item. I think we've got a few more items in the grocery list. Yeah, so there's our list total. You can delete your list, edit your list name, and look at all the items. There's obviously a lot of room for additional functionality here, and it really just came down to what I could get done in the time we had available to us. So I hope you have fun playing around with this app. Thank you for taking the time to grade it. Have a nice night.